Today we travel to Tumbler Ridge in British Columbia. Okay, maybe not. Well, fires have rerouted us to the 19th year of the Chetwynd International Chainsaw Carving Championship. Each year, 12 carvers, there are 4 international, 4 from the United States, and 4 from Canada, are invited to bring their best work and see how it'll stand up against the world's best. This was day 1 of the event, so the carvings are a little rudimentary at this point, but for the most part, these guys and gals were killing it and making great progress on their carvings. Each carver had a drawing or a mock-up of what their end product would be, and they just kind of freehand followed that. Some of them used spray paint and put an outline of where they wanted to carve their wood. Others seemed to just kind of pencil draw on the wood where they wanted their shape to begin and end.
You know, the carvings themselves are becoming more intricate, with details so fine it's hard to even believe that they were created with a chainsaw. Now, in town, there are more than 120 carvings located in various places around town. Oh yeah, there's a quick carve competition during this event, and the carvers create smaller pieces that are then auctioned off to the public. Thank goodness I live in a motorhome. I think I might have gone home with a couple. The work is amazing.
Yep, they're all competitive.
That's the whole crew for this weekend.
That's 3 are.
Okay.
Yeah. But they were.
So you can be a little bit more relaxed.
Oh, it's nice.
This guy's from Scotland, and he's carving a cowboy. Of course, on the day we choose to go, the wind is whipping. It was about knocking us over as we watched this and all the sawdust blowing in our eyes. I think the consensus amongst our group was that Jake Rhodes' Griffin was probably our favorite. He was really carving the heck out of it as we watched it. So these guys on the right of the screen are carving what ends up being an eagle's wing. You can see one on the statue that's behind them already, and they marry the other one up atop.
It's funny, I thought that was going to be scrap. And just to think, he ends up using it.
So these two guys end up carving a tree out of a tree. It was amazing. And we were also wondering, where the heck are their back braces? Oh, my back is killing me just watching them.
Hey, Mark and Loki from North Carolina. Scott, you see that?
Gotta have fun at work.
Echo,
echo, echo.
So, So, do you think you're going to be hearing that chainsaw sound in your sleep tonight?
Only if they watched it this far.
The cleanup crew, very busy.
Joan!
What? You know, traveling in an RV is so fun, especially when people you know hear you're in town. They come down to say hello. Thank you, Sharon and Ray, for coming to see us.
I couldn't believe this was the first time they've actually seen the carving of the carvings.
Granted, the layout might have been drawn on the piece of wood, but could you do that with a chainsaw? So the primary wood used at the chainsaw carving championship is a Western red cedar. Each carver is provided with a log of Western red cedar that is 40 to 50 inches in diameter and 8 feet tall. Hi, Hayes. We love our furry friends. I so wish we could have been in Chetwynd on the last day of this chainsaw carving competition. I would have loved to seen these final products. So just remember, if you're in Chetwynd BC, the second week in June, check it out. You will not be disappointed, and you will be amazed at this artwork.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
And how about subscribing?
It's free.
Thanks for watching.